day, Strongwind was looking for a wife. So he decided to get a sister to set up a course. They looked for every girl in town, but they all lied. So they got 2 more girls. They were very interested in it. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Do you see Strongwind? Yes, I do. What is he holding? A picnic for me. No, sorry. Oh. So then the next girl wanted to try. You see Strongwind?
Yes.
What is he holding?
Lasso.
No, sorry. So, their youngest sister was anxious. The 2 older sisters didn't believe in her at all. Do you see Strongwind? No, I don't see Strongwind. I'll just give you a minute. Oh, there he is, over by that canoe over there. Good job. So Strongwind and the little sister got married, but nobody really knew what happened to the 2 older sisters. I guess they just ran away. Hi, I'm Zoe, and I was the youngest sister. I'm Claire, and I was one of the older sisters. I'm Lisa, and I was the narrator. I was Maya, and I was the youngest sister.
And I was Clara. I was the older sister.